What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Guess what I'm getting ready to get myself into? I'm going to teach myself how to do hot pot, right? Today we have a brand new hot pot system in the house from Joydeem. And if you've never heard of hot pot, which you probably have, everybody has by now, it's amazing and I can't wait to try it out. This one comes with some cool little accessories, and we're going to try to use these too as well. So what's up? It's Wednesday. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So if you've never had a hot pot, I always think of hot pot as like this community meal. It is so much fun. And if you have kids, they will love to go and get a hot pot. So what hot pot is when you go to a hot pot restaurant, you will get a pot in the middle of your table. So your group or yourself are sitting around a table and you'll get this pot, and usually the pot is divided with like this wiggly piece of metal in between the pot. And it allows you to have multiple simmering broths or stocks going in this hot pot. So it's somewhat like you go to Korean barbecue, but like it's a Chinese tradition, and it is like a soup version of what you would see at a Korean barbecue. So you have the hot pot sitting in the middle of the table. It a lot of times will have this divided thing so you can have more than one broth going in one pot. And you go to a giant buffet or counter, or you order tons of different ingredients that your people at your table, you all put this stuff into the pot and you build this delicious, unbelievable soup, right? Sort of like ramen, but many times without the noodles. And as you're building this, you're putting in thinly sliced meat, you're putting in vegetables, you can put in seafood, and you can also design your own dipping sauce. So they usually have an ingredient bar where you can design your own dipping sauce, so you can take meats and dip it into the hot pot and let it simmer and cook. They cook really fast. Then you can take it out and you can dip it in your dipping sauce. It is crazy good, right? You can do hot pot at home. And this is what we have here today. We have the Joydeem Electric Hot Pot. We're going to unbox this and take a look at it. It comes with some interesting plates in here that expands the use of the hot pot to be a griddle and a meatball cooker and all kinds of fun stuff. So it takes your hot pot to a whole nother level, right? So I just want to thank Joydeem for sending this. I'm going to put links down here in the description. We have looked at other Joydeem products. One of my favorite which is the dough machine, the dough maker, right? I'll put links to that up here. Today we're going to be trying out the hot pot. So let's get going. Okay, so let's move this over here. Let's start with the basic hot pot first. And then you see I'm a little excited, right? A lot of people tell me they can tell when I'm kind of giggly over something. I've been wanting to learn how to do hot pot. Okay, so here's our multifunctional electric hot pot. Yay! Okay, so there's a little manual here that shows you how to use it. The back section is in English. Shows you all the parts. It shows you what temperature. So low for pancakes and cakes, medium for hamburgers, high for pork, steak, and hot pot, and soup cooking. Cool. Here's our cord. Ooh. Okay. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, it's so cute. It is so cute. Okay, so here's the base for our hot pot. And it comes with one bowl. If you wanted to do just one soup or stew, you can use it as the single. So it comes like that. Or you can use it with the divided. And this is the traditional kind of hot pot broth bowl. So you can put 2 different kinds of broth in here, or you can do, 2 different kinds of anything. You can heat up, 2 different kinds of sauces. If you want to do a buffet, you can put, a cheese sauce on one side and a barbecue on the other, right? But you can also use that for hot pot. So how hot pot works is you're going to have the broth simmering. You can have 2 different kinds of broth simmering, and then you put your meats and stuff in here, and then you let it cook. And then you can put the lid on. Cute! I like it. It's perfect for home use. And here's our cord. So here's some plates that's going to expand our use of our hot pot here. So this one looks like it's a griddle, or a griddle. Awesome. So here's this. So the way this works is you have your hot pot base, and we're going to put these on here. So we have our base here, and you can use it just to cook on. So you can cook a couple burgers on this. You can grill some chicken, some fajita stuff and make fajitas. You can turn your hot pot into a full-fledged cooker. Oh, this one is cute. You can cook little mini quiches on this one. You can put eggs in here, put a little tomato and onion in there, and then cook a little eggs for your egg sandwich in the morning. In this one, you can cook meatballs. So if you really wanted to go for it, cook your meatballs in here, and then cook your sauce in here, and then put your meatballs in here. Awesome. This is really cool. This is really cool. Should I grab a piece of chicken real quick? Okay, we're just going to do a quick cook on this little griddle. I have it on medium, so I'm going to put some diced onions in here. This thing is so cute. It's perfect for like 2 people. Quick dinners. Make a couple tacos. You don't need to make a whole lot. So let me cook these up, and we'll put in the bell peppers. So one thing Eric noticed, he washed all this stuff up for me. These lids fit on here too. So you could use this, make a burger, melt the cheese, put your lid on for a second. I like it. So we're going to put some bell pepper in here. And we're just going to saute this up. And I'm going to take these out of here when we make the chicken. Let me put a little fajita seasoning on these. To give them a little spice. Seriously, this is cool. If you have a student that's going away to the dorm, this is perfect. They can make soup, they can make meatballs, they could do hot pot night for their roommates, and they can just cook on here. Couple burgers, make some cheesesteaks.
Beer battered broth.
Yeah, put a little beer in this. So let me finish cooking this. Okay, so I put our bell peppers and onions back in the bowl where I had the onions. I'm going to go ahead and give us a little bit more. Eric wiped this out, and it wiped out really easy, just with a paper towel. Got some oil in there. So the nonstick is really great. I'm going to go ahead and give us some chicken. I sort of chopped, this is boneless, skinless chicken breast. I just chopped it in little pieces like this. Oh my gosh, can you believe this? I'm having a good old time with this thing.
Starting to smell a lot like tacos.
Like chicken. I got my fajita seasoning. So quick. You could do some meal prep at the beginning of the week and have a little chicken on one night, beef on another night, pork on another night, whatever you want. And every night, just pull this thing out, give you a little cook, and have dinner for two. This you could literally make like 1 taco, 2 tacos, 3 tacos, 4 tacos. There you go.
And giving too many tacos, I might get a little crazy.
More seasoning on here. One taco, 2 tacos, 3 tacos, 4 tacos. Looks really good. This thing is so cute. I like it. I'm gonna love it when we make hot pot in it. So let me finish cooking this up. Okay, so our chicken is looking mighty good here. Look at that. This only took a few minutes. And our chicken is done. I'm going to go ahead and I'm using a new spatula here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it down to low. I'm going to add our onions and bell peppers in here. Look at that. That is fajita right here in minutes. Fajita in minutes. Looks good. So let me go. I think Eric said he just wants to eat this on some rice, and I have some leftover rice in the fridge. So we're going to go heat it up, and we're going to try this. Okay, so look at our fajita stuff here. Eric says he wants it on rice, so that's what we're going to do. Look at that. Looks really good. And I have a little rice here. This is leftover rice. We have this leftover rice theme going on. And we have some fajita chicken to put over it. Yum. Looks really good. A little juice on there. Put some butter in there. Sometimes you want it with a taco, and sometimes you just want it like that.
Well, it's less carbs.
How's it less carbs with all the rice?
No taco shell.
Yeah. What about the rice, though?
Oh, there you go.
There's a little left over for you, though. Okay, so we're going to be doing a full hot pot on this. I want to go out to a hot pot restaurant, so I think we're going to take you guys with us, and then we'll come back and make our own hot pot. Let's try this.
It's tasty.
Oh, really tasty.
Chicken cooked perfect.
Everything cooked perfect. This is amazing. So you could use this for meal planning. Sunday night, make a big batch of rice. Get a couple different meats. Just cook it up like this every night. Throw it on rice. You have dinner every night for hardly any time. Very cost effective. This is literally 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, and 1 piece of chicken. So I bought a 3-pack of chicken. You could do this 3 different ways during the night and feed 2 people for 3 dinners. Amazing. So stay tuned. We are going to be doing some hot pot. And I think we're going to make some meatballs too in this. I think this thing is cute. It's small, it's compact, it's good for, 1 or 2 people. This grill part, the griddle part. Hot pot, I think maybe 4. But we're going to be doing that. So I'll put links down in the description to this. Thank you, Joydeem. I really like this thing so far. Stay tuned. We got some hot pot coming, and I got to go eat my dinner. Thanks for joining me.